What up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Like I said, guys, I bought a new camera finally. I bought this actually a couple weeks ago, but I just haven't had time to open it up or do anything with it. So I'm gonna do a review today. And I bought a Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam camera. You guys could see I got this at Fry's Electronics the last time I went for $250 with tax already included. And I also bought an extra battery, which was the last one too. As you can see, I bought an extra battery because I didn't want to be struggling to see well, I didn't want to be looking for a battery actually. I mean, I know this one comes included with the battery, but I wanted another one, just for any reason, just in case, But anyway, here's the side of the box. Here's the other side, Sony, and then it tells you all the memory card formats it takes, and audio, HDMI, little pouch, tripod, accessories, optional. And here's the information from the camera. It has a 9.2 megapixel camera lens, 60x clear image zoom. It also has a 26.8 wide angle lens and up to 50 megabytes per second high bitrate, and it records an MP4 dual video recording, full HD, triluminous colors, XMOR R, the CMOS processor, and Bion X. So let's get started, guys, and open up the box and see what comes inside. So when you first open the box, we are greeted with, of course, a manual. Oh no, limited warranty, 1 year, says right there. Some paperwork, usual. We'll probably read that. I'm probably gonna read that actually. Oh look, register for digital imaging card. I don't know what that is. Like a credit card. Jabba. And we pull this little tab, and oh, here's the camera itself. But first, let's take this out first. Put that over here. Oh my god. We get a AC adapter. Looks pretty small actually. It looks like the one from my little Sony camera. I don't know what's wrong with Platinum, making noises. And here's like a extension cord for charging. And there you go. Oh wait, is this oh, and this is the HDMI cable. Yes, it is the HDMI micro HDMI to regular HDMI, so you can plug it into your TV. Wow, that's nice of them. They actually included that cable. It's very nice, very nice. And we also get, oh damn, and that's it. And we also get the battery. You guys could see it says Sony, little battery. And this is 1240 milliamp battery, not the biggest battery. And I did notice though, let me see, is it the same size? I'm hoping they're the same size, because this battery looks bigger. This is a 1400 milliamp battery, 3.6 volts. Let me check real quick. And I think they gave me the wrong battery, guys. I'm not too sure, but we'll find out right now. Anyway, let's close this box up. Oh wait. Let's close the box up and just put it right here on the side. And here's the camera itself. Let's look at it. Oh my god, it looks so nice already. Looks beautiful. You guys could see, here's the side of it. HD Sony Handycam. Got the model number, 9.2 megapixels. Probably where you put the battery in. Here's the other side. Comes with the hand strap already, and this actually comes with the charging cable integrated to the camera, which is really nice. I mean, in a way it's nice, and in a way it's not, because if you break it, you know, I don't know if there's another way to charge the camera. And here's the front. Oh, the lens actually open and close by themselves, or no? Oh yeah, no, actually you gotta open them. There you go. Lens open, lens close. Here's the little mechanism for that, little switch. Wow, and this doesn't even weigh nothing. And up here we got the 60x clear image zoom, button to zoom in, take pictures, and we open it up. Yeah. And we get a widescreen, you know, angle LCD, some analog control right here, and a little play button. Right here we get the speaker. It says Dolby Digital Stereo. What? Stereo Creator, I'm assuming. That's what it says. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see, can you guys see that with the light or no? I can't tell. There we go. That's how it looks like. Here's the screen. There we go. Let me turn it around again so you guys could see. I should have set up this lamp somewhere else, because right there it's not helping at all. I'm just gonna see if I could put it right here, maybe. Hopefully it helps a little bit. But yeah, guys, let me read the manual real quick and see where you put the battery, and read the manual, and then maybe give it a couple minutes to charge, and then I'll test it out and take some pictures, do some video footage, and let you guys see what this camera is capable of, and if it was worth the price, you know. But give me a second, guys, and we'll be right back. Oh, I'll be right back, actually. Alright, guys, what up? We're back, and it sucks that I didn't get a chance to record in the daylight, but we're recording right now in the nighttime. And as you guys could see, this thing, according to the screen, this thing is looking better than what I'm looking into, like in real life, my eyes. It's really good in low lighting, as you guys could see. Very good. Let's do a zoom in over there to the Title Max. You guys could see the zoom. Wow, this is crazy. Let me see, is the Burger King still open? Oh yeah, let's see, can we zoom into the Burger King? Oh my god. We got a Burger King right there, the Cricket. Look, Title Max, and Horizon Village, I think it's called. We got the Title, Loans, Check, Dentist. Wow, that is crazy. Let's see, can we zoom in that car? Who's coming out of that car? Wow, you guys could see, it's really good footage of this camera. I am very impressed for the little light that there is here. I'm telling you, in my eyes it looks darker, but in this camera it looks really good. Actually, look at the sky. You could even catch the palm tree right there. Look at the palm tree. Look at that palm tree right there. Crazy. What up, guys? I am back, and you guys can see we got Gancito on the mix. Got him with them little pajamas, cause like I said, it's getting cold out here. Gancito. You guys can see he's just chilling like a villain. He's going back to sleep now with his mama. Gancito. Gancito. Oh my god, you look so cute. Yes, you're cute. Yes, you're my baby. Anyway, let's go and take a look at the turtles, the Ninja Turtles. You guys can see we got Nugget and Nugget Jr. You guys can see I have Plátano right here close to me. Plátano. So my man, get a look at his feathers. Very nice feathers, very nice. Yes, you're a good bird, huh? Good bird. Look at him. Well, yeah, guys, that's basically all the footage I have for you guys. I mean, hopefully you guys get an idea of what this camera is capable of. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, this is on, how you could say, light. My watch is gonna do another video, but there you go. It's in the daylight. See if we can zoom in all the way to the mountains and maybe see a sheep or a goat. Oh my god, do you guys see that? There's clearly a snake on that mountain. Anyway, let's take a picture of that in a bit. But this is basically how the footage looks, guys. Press the wrong button, there you go. Here's Gancito in the daylight. You guys can see him wearing his little pajama, like always. Well, I'm back, guys. I had to record this video again because the one I did for last night was, for last night. I ended up recording the daylight today. Took some good pictures and yeah, so I had to edit that video. But as you guys could see, hopefully you guys get an idea what this camera is capable of doing. I highly recommend it. It's very good in low light. Has a lot of features like face detection, smile detection, video stabilization, photo stabilization, 60 zoom in, a good battery life, and you can plug it into your TV. Comes with the HDMI cable already included. You could even edit the videos within the camera. Do the change the settings, everything. You could even choose like a mode. Like, let me show you guys real quick. You could pick what you want to do. Like if you want to shoot a photo, like you could add effects to it. Do a lot of things. You guys could see right there. You could do a lot of cool things. Here's how the UI looks like on this camera. See, you could edit right here. Go to edit, whatever. You could play back your videos, photos. By the way, so I already didn't show you guys yesterday the setup, but yeah, it's you turn it on, you open the screen, and that's how the camera turns on. And for the camera to turn off, you gotta close the screen. But the setup was, you know, the usual setup, the day, the time, format, what kind of quality you want to record in. And but yeah, this is how you would change the image quality or the video quality. They could change the camera and the microphone, adjust those. It comes with the intelligent mode, so you know, for beginners you could you know, the camera adjust this to the best settings, you know, by itself. If you guys don't know like how to use a camera and like move the settings around and all that. It also has dual video recording, which is pretty cool. Let's say you're at an event or something, but you want to record like at the highest quality. What this mode does, it records at the highest quality, and then on top of that, it also records a little video in MP4 format. Not as high quality, but like a compressed quality. It still looks good, but it's easy for, you know, to share it real fast, you know, and just the size reduces, you know, the file size, it's smaller, and like I said, easier to share, which is pretty cool, you know. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. Here's the little controller to, you know, move the thing. It's kind of like a little analog stick. You got the little play button. The screen on this camera looks amazing too, by the way. And yeah, guys, that is basically it. I highly recommend this camera for the price and for all the features that you get. Highly recommend it. Takes good pictures, takes nice video, you know. To anybody that wants to start a YouTube channel, I highly recommend this camera. And another thing, guys, I want to thank all of you for, you know, supporting my channel. We have finally reached 200 subscribers. It really means a lot to me, guys. 200 subscribers, it's a lot to me, actually. I mean, I know probably it doesn't mean nothing to a lot of people, but to me, that's a lot. That's an achievement right there. Thank you, everyone, you know, for supporting my channel since day one, and I hope you guys keep supporting me, and hopefully we get to 1 million in the near future. I would really love that. But like I said, guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm just gonna wrap up the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a like, and like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.